Alright, so someone asked for an updated lash tutorial. And I feel like after the 1.5 years that it's taken me to be able to do this on a semi-regular basis without fucking up too much, I feel confident that I can go ahead and bring you one. So, first and foremost, things that you will need. Some type of tweezers, please. For the longest time, I would use just a regular pair of flat-ended tweezers. I have seen and I like the tweezers that are shaped like scissors. They also do have the Lash applicator style plastic ones that also come, you know, they're more flat up here to hold the lash in its entirety, and some of these plastic ones also have this little rounded edge part here that you can go ahead and press your lashes into place. It is your comfort and decision level. One thing that I do like, one of my favorite things to use, is this lash applicator that comes in a little $4 kit from e.l.f. Eyes, Lips, Face that literally holds the entire lash, the entire strip lash, all together. Next up, if you're doing strip lash individuals, I cannot help you with. I'm sorry. No can do. My bad, boo. But if it's a strip lash, I think I got you. I think I do. I usually do my lashes last after I've done my eyeliner. Normally, I would use a clear glue. My desk is messy and I can't find my clear. So we're actually using black since I have a black liner as it is anyways. It'll work out just fine. Another pair or another tool that can be useful if you'd like would be a pair of lash curlers. I usually use those to pinch the real lashes and the fake lashes into place. So familiarize yourself with lash application up until this point. You need some type of adhesive, you need the lashes, and you need some type of applicator, unless you're badass enough to do that with your fingers, and if so, I want to watch your tutorial, please. So as such, if you have the squeeze tube glue, then just use a very small amount. And if it's a tube, then you want to move the lash along the applicator if you have that style of glue. Otherwise, with the brush, you can be a little bit more precise if you like. Spread a semi-thin layer along such. You can, of course, before putting the glue on there, make sure that the lash is to your eye shape and measurement. I have big almond shaped eyes, so I almost never need to trim my lashes to any other length of such, but for those who have different eye shapes, it could be to your best interest. While you're waiting for the lash glue to dry, that's where I would either, this is where you could finish up your blush, your setting spray, whatever's. I've already got almost the entire face done, but we also have like 4 videos to film after this because it's a marathon. So, you know, that's why we're not completely done, but whatever. I did choose big, bad lashes so that you could tell the difference. So what I'm doing is, because this is my favorite thing to use, I'm actually gonna line it up so that's how it normally looks. This is, you know what, actually, let me go ahead and raise the degree of difficulty up. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use my scissor tweezers. And when I use these tweezers, I usually grab right there. That way, the tweezers are not on the glue. One thing you want to be careful of is make sure that you do not get glue on these tweezers in any way, shape, or form, that you touch a clean part of the lash. If you get any kind of adhesive on the tweezers when you're going to apply them or whatever, then sometimes as you're trying to set your lash down into place, you're going to lift it up and then you're not going to get as strong of a bond. Some of the old school heads will, you know, wave it around, have it dry. We're going to cheat. And it's supposed to be anywhere between, it can be anywhere as little as 20 seconds. It can be as long as a minute. Depends upon the brand of glue and what it is that they specify. And so, taking said lash, you also want to have a mirror. Be right up on the mirror. And you want to go above your real lashes. Aim it above then. And then bring it all the way down. And nestle. And with the tweezers, once you have it down in the middle, you're good. And once you have it in place, and I lost my regular spoolie just that quick, but I'm just using the end of a brow spoolie. Once you have it in place, gently move your real lashes to blend in. If you prefer, this is where you can pinch and then once you are done, like me, if you get eyeshadow all over your lashes, gently apply some mascara. To blend the reals with the fakes. And then just adjust as necessary. Feel that more precise pinching is necessary as well, you can use your tweezers. But there you go. Ta-da!